Welcome to the top 5 essential bodyweight exercises for beginners.
Discover simple, effective exercises that require no equipment and can help you build strength, balance, and endurance. These moves are perfect for anyone looking to start their fitness journey and progress quickly, all from the comfort of home.
1. Push-ups.
Push-ups strengthen your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Start on the floor with your hands under your shoulders and body in a straight line. Lower your chest toward the ground, then push back up. Modify on your knees if needed, and focus on controlled movement for best results.
2. Bodyweight squats.
Squats target your quads, glutes, and hamstrings and improve lower body strength. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Lower down as if sitting in a chair, keeping your chest up and knees tracking over your toes. Return to standing and repeat. Squats help build functional strength for everyday activities.
3. Planks.
Planks are excellent for strengthening your core and stabilizing muscles. Start by holding a straight position on your elbows and toes, keeping your body in a line. Engage your core and avoid letting your hips sag. Planks help improve posture and support all other exercises.
4. Glute bridges.
Glute bridges activate your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Then lower back down. This move supports better hip mobility and prevents lower back pain.
5. Mountain climbers.
Mountain climbers combine cardio and core work. Start in a high plank, then alternate bringing your knees toward your chest in a running motion. Move at a challenging but controlled pace. This exercise boosts your heart rate, coordination, and core strength, making it a dynamic finish to your routine.
Start your bodyweight fitness journey today.
These 5 exercises lay the groundwork for a strong, balanced body. Master these moves, stay consistent, and increase difficulty as you improve. With dedication and proper form, you'll see progress and feel more confident in your fitness routine. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Enjoy your journey.